Hi, in this video I will show you how to get Canva Pro using school email. So as you can see right here, I have Canva Education and it costs $0 per month. So you can easily manage your member and see here your billing details, your team purchasing restriction, and the likes. So if you want something like this, you can head over right here into a new tab and then onto a new tab, search for Canva for students. You can see in here this 100% free for K to 12 teachers and students, so head over and click on that. It will direct you to the canva.com/education. So you can choose in here which one you are. You can be a teacher, you can be a school or student. So if you're a student, let's choose this. You can click onto this discover more option and then click onto this sign up for free. So click on that. And then from in there, just continue to sign up using Google, Facebook, or email. But for this one, let's choose with email right here. But in some cases, you need to have your education school email. So click onto this sign up with your work email, then input right here that particular work email and click on continue. And you should be able to have something like this that I have right here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.